Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. This is Courtney with Doodle Dollars. Today I'm going to be cash stuffing this wallet with $40. All of these challenges I'm working on saving towards next month's sinking funds. So let me count my money and we'll get started. All right, so we have $40 here. I'm gonna mix in these spicy fives. And let's get started. So whatever I roll is the amount of bills that these challenges are getting. 1. All right, so these dashboards are going to be available to my Ko-fi members on August 1st. So if you are currently a member, oh, there's our first spicy five. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can get them on August 1st. If you become a member, you can get these and any other member challenges that I have uploaded in the past. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's our second spicy five. Let's go back to challenge number 1. Is getting $1. I hope you guys are having a great Monday, a great start to your week. I am recording this on Saturday, trying to get a little bit ahead because this is going to be my first week back. Well, Friday is the first day with students. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But before that, I will just be working on getting my classroom set up, and it's always kind of crazy with all of that going on, getting my lesson plans, set, and meetings and a bunch of other madness. So I want to make sure that I get my stuff recorded early enough that I have time to do it all. All right, so this first challenge is by me. It's my baseball season challenge. Each bow is $1 or $2, so we have $2 extra here today, plus a rollover one still. So we're going to cross out 2 more of these. Nope. Why did I do that? 1 more of those. Oh my goodness, guys. I do apologize. There we go. If you are interested in joining my membership, the lowest tier, if you want just like the dashboards and like all my digital minis and tinies, I do digital minis and tinies each month, and I have just like exclusive challenges for my members that are digital only. If you're interested in that, you can do the lowest tier, which is $3 a month, and you get the dashboards, you get a mini challenge and a tiny challenge, and any other extra member only challenges that I upload throughout the month. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the link for that is in my description. If you want to become a part of my Ko-fi membership, just check the description. There's a link there. So we only needed 2 for this to finish it. So we're going to set that there. We're going to set those over to the other side. 20, 30, 1, and 2. All right. So 1 challenge finished so far. Yay. We're going to blow our whistle. Woohoo! Get on board the savings train. So silly. Okay. Challenge number 3. Oh, sorry. I don't think I've even been telling y'all. This one is by Dawn's Sunrise Budgeting. So we finished Dawn's challenge today. This one is by Rainy Day April. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and $6 to add. Each symbol is $2. Aria wrote this little 2 here for us to help us remember that. So we're going to save 2, 4, and 6. So we have $8 now, and this rollover one still. All right, challenge number 4 is by Life With Me. Aria wrote the 1 again, so each B is $1. 1, 2, 3. We got so many extra. Oh my gosh, this got so much. So let's see, $5, $6, $7, $8, $9, $10, $11, $12, $13 going over here that we'll have to figure out what to do with. So those 3 B's though, they are done. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12 in this challenge. So yay, another challenge done. All aboard the savings train. Oop. Okay. So this challenge is by Angela Marie. We have $2 here to add. Each strawberry is $1 as well here. So let's do this one, 1 and 2. So we should have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, indeed. All right, and then challenge number 6 is by Budget with Amanda. Each of these circles is $1. This one got our second spicy 5. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we're gonna grab one of these dollars from here and we're just gonna finish this one. 10. All right, so we finished that in two weeks, which is cool. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 is what we have saved with this one. All right, so that's our 3rd challenge finished. All right, so let's go back and see what we can do with these other challenges here. Do you think we'll do like all of them? Maybe. So this one needs 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we can finish, oh wait, no, because it has a 1 already. So we can finish this one. Let's make sure. 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Yes, we do. Amazing. Another challenge done. Challenge number 4 completed. And we have $1, $2, $3, $4 left. So let's see, we can put it towards this. We can do 2 more symbols with this challenge by Rainy Day April. So we'll do this little froggy and this little flower. There we go. All right, and we still have that roll over 1. Okay, so 4 challenges completed today, guys. That is awesome. I'm so excited. I'm so thankful that I was able to put aside a little bit more money this week than the past couple weeks and really get my sinking funds beefed up for next month. All right, so let's put these in our savings challenge about She's Getting Fit. Ooh. We are close to doing our end of the month reallocation, and I'm so excited. Look at all this that we get to reallocate. It's my favorite time of the month. It's my favorite thing to do, my favorite video to record probably. So thank you all so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.